It's so raining and it's so windy out there. You will catch a cold or you will get a fever instead. It's raining everywhere. Look at my houses. Look, it's so troubling. You can almost barely hear your toys in the ground. If it rains and you forgot to get clothes inside, then your clothes will be wet. So please, everybody, don't go outside in this rainy season. Look at all the birds. They are running away from the rain. Look at the house. It has some leaves. Look, that owner of the house forgot to get his clothes in. That is bad. Look at